everybody! This week on Baking Buttercream, we have another segment of us trying foreign foods, and we're going to be trying German food this week. So let's see how well this goes.
As you know from the last Americans Try Food video, if you haven't seen it yet, link is in the cards above. I don't know which corner. So click that video. But how we rate these foods is if we like them, we call them a delish. And if we don't like the food, we say...
When we don't like it, we say spit in the dish.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and try this first German food. Oh wait, hold on, I forgot to mention. We have this. This is gonna be probably the grossest product that we try today. It's a hot dog that doesn't need to be refrigerated.
I don't know, I mean, it might be interesting to try because it's basically like a corn dog, but again, as my brother said, not refrigerated, which makes me wonder how well these things are gonna last.
Stick around to the end of the video to watch us taste this or throw this up. Either one, it might happen. All right, let's start this off on a high note.
Do you want to start with chips or chocolate?
I say chocolate. So we're having these peanuts. They're Treats, the peanut company, chocolate covered peanuts. I don't know what would be wrong with them.
They should be fine. I mean, they're probably gonna be just like any other
they're peanuts.
Yeah, they're basically just chocolate covered peanuts. They're gonna be like grandma's. Sorry, Grandma. They might not be as good as yours, but who knows? We're gonna try them.
My favorite, actually, chocolate covered thing is actually chocolate covered raisins. All right, let's try it. It tastes like a peanut M&M.
It really does.
Like almost spot on peanut M&M.
This really does just taste like a peanut M&M. I mean,
there's nothing special about them. So it's really neither. So we need like a new category where it's like.
Just like, I can eat. Let's just do that. We have to say in a Boise accent though. I can eat. Alright guys, now we have these. Nespecier. I don't speak German, so I'm probably totally butchering it. So
it's chocolate covered hazelnuts.
Yeah, it's just chocolate covered hazelnuts that come in like little blocks. Kind of like a Hershey bar.
It's like a candy bar with chocolate. Oh, wow.
Oh, it's already broken for us. That's good. You can have that half. You can have the tiny half.
Oh my goodness, hold on.
I'll take this half.
Look at the bottom.
Oh, that's cool.
So, I don't know, can you guys see it? Basically, it's just a really thin chocolate bar with some hazelnuts in it. Which, look at this. All right, I'm just gonna try a bite of this.
Yeah, I want a piece with hazelnut. I'm thinking a piece with hazelnut.
Let's go ahead and rate these. These are actually spit in the dish for me.
Really?
I didn't really enjoy that chocolate that much. You said you really enjoyed it.
I enjoyed the dark chocolate. I thought it tasted great.
They're not bad. It was a spit in the dish for me, but once again, it wasn't bad, just not...
Just wasn't where you would
wasn't
want to
great,
eat it again.
yeah.
To me, I'd eat it again, mostly just for the chocolate. Now, the hazelnuts do throw me off a little bit on the taste, but I do still like the dark chocolate to it. I'd eat these again. I'd say these are delicious.
Next food item.
If I remember right, we were told that this right here meant it's like paprika or something like that. It's put onto these nuts. So, maybe I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure they said it was like paprika was put on it.
Hey guys, catch.
That was a terrible thing to do.
Hold on, I'm gonna smell these. They actually smell like honey roasted peanuts.
Not paprika. Curry.
Ugh.
They're more like, I eat them. That's really all they would be.
But I just don't think the flavors go together. The seasoning was bad, the peanut was good, which made it into a bad experience. We don't quite know what this is, because once again, we don't speak German. It looks like a very light tea. I smell fruit.
How does it smell?
I smell fruit.
Yeah, it smells like a fruit. All right, let's pour this and see how it tastes.
I gave you so much more. You have to drink that all.
Ooh, it smells nasty.
All right, cheers.
Ah, it's like a weird apple juice.
I'm actually gonna rate this a delish.
I'm gonna say spit in a dish or spit back into the cup really for this.
These are paprika chips. We know that they're paprika because it literally says in English on the bag. But these are not chips, they're Chips Frisch, and it's by Funny Frisch, the company. The Funny Frisch company. Chips Frisch! Whoa, as soon as I open that, I could like smell.
Oh wow. Yeah, you can smell the paprika.
They smell like barbecue. They look like barbecue chip. Oh my goodness, what is it?
I gotta severely.
I eat this. I don't. tasted good at first, and then it was like, get on the bad flavor train. Boop, boop.
I don't know, it's bad flavor. It tastes like paprika at first, and then it goes into like tasting like.
I don't know how to drink water.
Apparently.
So these are totally like a spit in the dish, throw away that dish, have that dish cemented in concrete, throw that off a building, and then.
And here's the thing, I would actually say these are delish because I'd eat these again. I'd definitely eat these again.
All right, next item. We have a Snickers shake with a new and smoother taste. Boom. All right.
You know, it would help if the.
Yeah, I know. I knew it was there. I just
It
wanted
would
to
help if William would have took this off.
Wait, hold on. Did it just say to shake well?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, but
It smells weird.
People even do that just to mess with each other. Kind of smells like Nesquik. Like a Nesquik milk, you know?
Yeah.
How's it taste?
Like chocolate milk with a slight peanut flavor.
It actually reminds me a lot of my grandmother's protein shakes.
Probably the right
It tastes
word.
like a chocolate milk, but it doesn't taste like a good chocolate milk, you know?
It's like a chocolate milk, but somehow a couple penuts got loose in there.
Yeah, that's
and
pretty much
then-
how it tastes like that.
And then they just completely dissolved. It's not possible, but it happened. I'm gonna actually rate this a delish. You don't have to.
I would say the middle ground again, like, I could drink it again.
Well, no, you have to say one. Delish or spit in a dish.
Oh, okay, spit in the dish then.
Next item.
Last item.
Gross item.
It's the hot dog.
The Biffy item. The Biffy original.
It actually kind of looks like a wonton wrap if you guys kind of look at it. You know, like a
It smells like a hot dog in there. More than
Oh, and it's just like a roll. It's not like actually like bread being like hardened onto it. It just feels like something rolled bread on top of it. It's not a hot dog.
This is like a Slim Jim, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at here though. Look, that looks like a hot dog. It's not good.
No.
In fact, I think I'm gonna go spit in a dish. I really did not like that.
I don't
It was
know.
like-
It's not like so bad I throw it away, but it tastes like a hard sauce. It tastes like a hard like beef jerky kind of
It's
sausage.
like if you got a Slim Jim and then you forgot about it in your car and it melted together with other Slim Jims that you forgot about in your car. And then somehow you got some dough and it wrapped around it and you baked it at 350 for 25 minutes.
It's pretty tough. I'm not gonna lie, it's tough. But I bet if you microwaved it, it tastes so much better.
It's not. It's bad. It's bad.
Thank you for watching Liam's show and watching me just being a volunteer to eat food with my brother.
There's 2 videos on the screen right now. No, so click a video that's on the screen, click the Baking and Buttercream logo to subscribe to my channel, and then comment down below on another challenge video or a place that we should try to get food from. And so yeah, thanks for watching. My brother's a weirdo.